Hey, I've got a pair of these yoga blocks. The brand sent these to me, and I've been doing a little bit of yoga. I'm not very flexible. Maybe you can identify with that. I'm not advanced in yoga. I would consider myself a beginner. A lot of the moves I can't do because I'm not that flexible, but that's where these blocks come in. Essentially, all it's doing is raising things up so you can touch. If I was gonna go ahead and try to do a triangle, right? And I was gonna reach down, don't make fun of me, but that's about as far as I can reach. I cannot touch the floor and keep my legs straight. My hamstrings are too tight. So that's where these blocks come in. And now look, I can go ahead and still do the move and movement and get the benefit out of it. And then as I gain my flexibility over time, watch, I could take one block out and then, okay, I guess I could reach that kind of. And I know my form is horrible. Like I said, don't make fun of me. But then after I get more flexible, then I could eventually take the block out. So it's just allowing you to stay in the game, right? It's allowing you to do the yoga, and if you don't have flexibility and mobility, to still do it with these. Again, there's hundreds of yoga positions, but this would be one where you take the leg up behind you and then you reach down and you touch the floor. There's no way I'm touching the floor, but look, I can touch these blocks. Now, I could also turn the blocks if I wanted to, sideways or long ways, right? And that brings it up even higher for me. And I could just grab onto it. And there we go. Okay. So you get the idea. These are going to be super useful, super helpful. Just to give you a close up, it's like a very dense, they are like a cork. Well, they consider them foam, but it feels like a cork type material, but they're pretty heavy. They feel very durable. You can hear that. Super high quality pair of yoga blocks here by Trideer. Yeah, so wherever you're at on your yoga journey, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced, these are gonna work great for you. Pick them up, check them out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.